Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The iPhone 14 Pro Max had not been officially released or announced by Apple as of my last information update in September 2022. As a result, I am unable to provide precise specifics or a review for an iPhone 14 Pro. Brand Apple. Model name iPhone 14 Pro. Wireless carrier unlocked. Cellular technology 5G. Memory storage capacity 1 TB, 128 GB, 512 GB, 256 GB available. Color available. Screen size 6.1 inches. Wireless network technology GSM Wi-Fi, CD-MAL, TE. SIM card slot, count dual SIM. Form factor slate. About this item: 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, featuring always-on and promotion. Dynamic Island, a magical new way to interact with iPhone. 48 MP main camera for up to 4x greater resolution. Cinematic mode now in 4K Dolby Vision, up to 30 fps. Action mode for smooth, steady, handheld videos. A 16 Bionic, the ultimate smartphone chip. Super fast 5G cellular. Manufacturer, Apple Computer. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video.